Hi, this is Ripon Hossain Chappal from WPT Mart, and today we'll see how you can make a doctor and medical care WordPress website. So for just $29, you can make this website completely, and we will use a theme that is called Medixi. This one I will give you the link in the description below, and we'll have a look on how your website will be look like when you will complete the full process what I have done in this video. So here is the first home page, and it is having 5 home pages. You can select whichever you want. It is having some cool nice animations. As you can see, it is having the appointment form also, so any patient from you can book an appointment with you easily, so you can manage that, and you can show your some latest projects that you have done with your patients, and you can take the testimony of your patient that they have said about you, and you can have some latest blog post also and a footer, and you are having the home too also. You can set it as your home page too. That will look so cool na. And you are having some that in your website you can show some of your doctors in here, and obviously the appointment form is also here, and the same things here. And I will show you guys how we can change the services and all the stuff that you can maintain from here. So it is having some cool sections and feature, and if we have some home for look, then this will be look like this, and you see it's pretty nice and perfect. I think it will amaze you when you start using this WordPress theme. Yeah, so there is another home page. It's about the ambulance stuff mostly here, and obviously about the you'll learn about the doctors, and there is a page that is called appointment. So in this page a patient can contact directly to you and book an appointment, and you can sell also your stuff through here. So a lot of things here. I will give the description. I'll give the link in the description below. You can check that out. So you can buy it from here with $29 only. Now let's go to the main part. So after you set up your WordPress in your URL that you are having, so after set it up, you need to download this theme from here, and after that you will get a Medixi final file. So you need to extract the file. After extract the file, you will inside that you will find 4 folder, that is demo data Medixi. This is the main file, and this is a child theme, and this is the documentation file. You can check that out too. So the main file is this one. So for installing a WordPress theme, we need to go on appearance, then themes, then we need to click on add new theme, then click on upload theme, and we can just drag and drop this here, then click on install now. Within few seconds your theme will be installed, and we'll click on activate button here, and you can see after successfully activate our theme, we need to install some plugins that is needed, that is mandatory for using this theme, otherwise it will not work as I shown you before. So we need to select here the plugin, then into the bulk action, then we need to click on install, then click on apply. And after completing the installation, we'll click on here return to required plugin installer, and then again we will click on here the checkbox, and we will click on activate here, then click on apply. Then we can click on return on dashboard, and now the Elementor setup things is coming. So we will not do anything here from here because it's not needed. So we'll give across the here, and now we'll have an initial look of our website. So as you can see here, the previous theme that we have used, that was like this one, and now we have just install the theme and the initial look will be like this. Now here comes the important part, we need to import the demo data. So for that we will go on appearance, then click on import demo data, so that all the things that we have see here, like you can see here home 1 to 5, then about, then the other pages, all this stuff can be into our website too. So for that we need to install the demo data of our Medixi WordPress theme. So after clicking on import demo data, we need to click here import demo data again. Then this things is not mandatory. Now we'll click on continue and import. After few times, demo data will be installed completely and it will be shown like this. So now it's time to visit our website. So if we give a refresh here, boom, you can see these things has been completely installed, and the language is in France, so that's why it's looking like this. So now it's time to fix the issues that are here already. So it's coming for don't be worried, it's coming for the update of the Elementor and the plugins that here is being used. So for that, first we need to do some things here. We will go here settings, then click on general, and here you can see the language is perfectly here English, and we will go to the permalinks here. This is after you import the demo data, you need to do these things to set up your website correctly. So we will go on post name here, settings, then permalinks, then go on post name and click on save changes. And in here we will see Elementor, then go on settings, then we will disable these two things here. We will check this and click on save changes. And in features we will go on deactivate all, and click on save changes. And after that we will give a refresh here to see if some of our issue has been fixed or not. So you can see here the social icon issues has been fixed. Now it's time to go for the G-Translate plugin. Here we will go on tools, settings, then here the G-Translate, and we will select here only the language names, then we will click on save changes. After set it up here, you will see that it's obviously been fixed, all the issues. So most of the things has been fixed finally. Now here we will go on the shop page again, and you can see this shop page is not set here because we need to set it. So we will go on pages, and this is not coming because we have some duplicate page that WooCommerce, when we install the WooCommerce, then WooCommerce by default it creates some things here. It creates some cart, shop page by default. So we also have created some some shop page, shop details page, then cart page, this kind of things. So in here in the menus, we go on select the primary menu here, and we will rearrange these things like shop, then cart, then checkout. We need to add it here. Okay, and remove these shop details, then the cart, then the checkout, then my account. We need to remove, and we need to add the real one, that is having the definition of this page, shop, cart, checkout, or the other things. So we'll click on save changes, and we'll give a refresh here. Obviously this shop to pay is not having this, so the URL will be like this. So yeah, this is the shop page, and after the shop page set it up here, you will see a error here like add to wish list. So for fixing this wishlist button, we need to go here, TI wishlist, then import export setting, and inside it we need to export a file, and that file can be found here inside our demo data folder. So we'll unzip this file, demo data, then we'll click on demo data, then the wishlist folder, then this one. So we'll choose our file from the locations that we are having, Medixi final, demo data, then the wishlist, then this file. We need to select that and click on import and click on save button here, and we will give a refresh here to check if the issue is fixed. So it's now pretty perfectly fine now. So we have set up the shop page here. So this way your whole website will be completely fine. You can see here now. Now suppose as you can see here in my URL, this one is set it as home page. So you want that this home 2 or this home 3, any of them will be your main home page. So you want this to set it as your main home page, or this home 3 you want to set it as your main home page. So for that you need to go to here, settings, then go on general, settings, then go on reading, and in here you can set your home page from here, like home 3 will be now your home page 1. So we will give a save changes button, click here, and we'll give a refresh here. You can see your home page that has been changed successfully. And now it's time to edit our website header, footer, and the other content. Now we will check how header builder and footer builder works in our theme. So as you can see, this is a header, and this is the global header that we have using, and in blog page you will see the same header. This header same, this header also same, and the contact page is header, it's also same. So this is coming from our global header. And if we check our footer also, so this is a global footer, this is a global footer area also. So in the blog page you can see this is the same footer it is using. So the header and footer, it's these two things works here almost same, it's same to same, only you need to edit your content if you want. So for changing our global header, as you can see, this home page is using the global header, and this blog page and this contact us page, this is coming from global. So if you change in one place, this home page and about page or the blog page or the contact us page, header and footer will be changed. So we'll check from where we need to change that. So for that we need to go on here, Medixi options, and in here there is option called header, and in header you can see the header options, and it is selecting that the header builder, and header builder is selecting the header version 3, and this header version 3 that is coming from our Medixi builder, and you can see the header builder. So I will open it here, and you can see here are having 6 header. So in this here the header builder we are using header version 3. So if we change it to header version 1 and give a save changes and refresh on our home page, you see the header has been changed. If I refresh here, you see the header style has been changed. So same as if we change it to like header version 2, then click on save changes, then it will be also changed. You can see it's successfully changed. And you need to like header, you have selected header version 2, so you want to edit this header. So what you need to do is you need to go here in header version 2 and click on edit with Elementor, and we will change this here. Suppose I want to change the logo, so I'll change the logo and set this image. So it's a brand image I have set here, and click on update. And in my this website I will give a refresh. You can see it has been successfully changed, and you can check also on blog page. Same things also if we go on footer, and in here this is only for the global things. So we'll cut the header here, and we'll go on footer here, and you can see this is coming from the footer. The footer builder is selecting here the pre-built footer that is built here, the pre-built one. So this pre-built here is coming from this content, like about us, visiting hours, and the gallery post. As you can see the pre-built footer options, it is coming from the widgets. So for changing these contents we need to go here, like appearance, then widgets, and after that we will click this dot here, 3 dots here. Then you can see the footer one and the legacy widgets here. You can see this about us content. So you can change it from here, the number change and the other things. Then the footer 2, it's the navigation menu. We can select the menu here, and the footer 3 area, you can change it from here. So this footer 3 is coming from here. You can also select it, this footer builder here. Like if I click on footer builder, then select the footer, then footer 2 or version 1 or version 3. So I'll select the footer version 1 here, and if I click on save changes, and if I give a refresh on my home page, maybe there is nothing in footer 1. So I'll click on footer 2 and give a save changes and give a refresh here, and see here is that footer that is pre-built in our site. So footer 2 is this one. So where do will edit the footer 2? That footer 2 will come from here, Medixi builder, then the footer builder. I will leave this one because I don't want to any kind of changes. So this footer 2 I will click on edit with Elementor, and you can see change your things here, like select the footer menu and change your content from here, change the logo, change the button text here. You can do appointment now, and you can change these things here from here, and this is a contact form shortcode, and you can change it from here. So by this you can change your global header and footer. Now it's time to change it separately. Suppose you are wanting that on home 1 you are wanting a different header and different footer. Okay. So this blog page is having this header and this footer, but you want that in your home page 1, in your home page you don't want this header, or you don't want this footer, you want to change it completely. So what you need to do is you need to click on here edit with Elementor, and click on here settings. Then here you can see the header options. Then the header options here, header builder, will select the header builder. Then here you can see the header version 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll check once here header version 5 and give a update, and we'll give a refresh here, and you can see boom, our header has been changed successfully. So it's the header style here that is pre-made already, so that's why it's like that. And suppose you are wanting that your footer builder here, you want to change it. So you click on this settings here, you can see here footer options. Then it is already saying that footer is still pre-built, but I don't want that pre-built, I want to footer builder. Then change it on footer version 3. Then we'll give you update, and we'll give a refresh, and we'll check at the footer. You see it's magic. So it has been completely changed. So this footer version 3, so you want to change this content. So for that you need to go here, footer builder. Then you need to click on this edit with Elementor. Then edit your content here. Then it will be changed into your homepage too. So that's the way to change your homepage header and footer and the global header and footer. Okay. So now it's time to edit our see how to edit this slider. Then there is having a service sections. We'll check some of them, and first we check that, then we'll go on our next step. So for that we will go on here, edit with Elementor again, the home page that we are editing, and you can see here it's a slider, it's a layer slider, and we'll click here, or we'll right click on that section and click on navigator, so we can have a section wise look that which section we are editing. So you can see here the layer slider, then we will click on here open project editor. And the slider we are using that is okay, open project library, this one here. Yeah, so it was not loaded, that's why it's coming like that. So when you click, the interface will be like this. So now you want to change your text here, this description or the title, patient first, ready, and with this title, be our guest. Yeah, and after that you need to click on publish and give a cross there, and you see our content has successfully changed here. And we can also change the background images. So for changing the background images, you need to click here slides, then you can see the background image, then just change it. Okay, that's it, and click on publish and give the cross here. Your content has been changed. So that's the way you can change your layer slider content. And after that you can see here some service sections. So for changing the service content here, you need to go here, and you can see here service tab here, and you can see some post. So you will click on edit here, and you can change the title. So suppose we are wanting to change medical advice and checkup, so we'll change it into let's get started. And this short description, that this is the short description, so the short description will be changed here from. And the icon type, I want the flat icon, so the flat icon, we are having a list of the flat icon. And you can also upload a banner image, or you can set a featured image also, that will be shown here as you can see. And after that you need to click on update. So we have changed it title, let's get started. So if we give an update and give a refresh here, then our this service, you can see the title has been changed and the quotation has been changed successfully. And we are having it's like six service style, so you can change that style. And here you can see that the slider is having 3, we can make it 2, we can make it 3 again, and the number of posts that you want to show 6, and the order you can make it ascending or descending. So this is the way to change the service sections. And obviously you can set the color here, color things here, the title things, the content style here. Okay, and this is a regular section. You just click on the sections and change your content as you want. This is a contact form shortcode. You can check our contact form tutorial also, how to edit the contact form. And here you can see here the latest project. So for changing this section content, you need to go here again, as you can go here service, then this is the project section. And for editing this project section here, for this text, top ranked cardiology or the cancer care and the image, you need to go here projects and click on edit. And you can change the title and the featured image and some exact text. You can set for your SEO things. So that's how you can edit your latest project section. And you are having some style also, style 1 and 2. You can check that out, this tab. And this tab is coming from the category here. You can see this category, top rank development, then new surgeon, development surgery, these things. So that is coming from there. Okay, it's cool na. And here is the testimonial sections. You can change your content from here. And a latest blog post, and this blog post is coming from our posts that you will make here. So after that we will make a update, and all our content that we have changed, that will be applied in our website successfully. It's fun na. So most of the things that we have made are ready to go. As you can see, this is the style that we have maybe have applied on home 5. That's why it's like that. So if I go on home 5, yeah, you can see the home 5 style here. That's why it's like that. And you might get this kind of error, the project cannot be loaded. So you need to click on here, edit with Elementor. And just click on here and select the layer slider that you want. Select a slider that you want to show here. Okay, that's it. And give a update. You might get this kind of error sometimes, not all the times. You just need to select that slider perfectly, then it all will be okay. So that's it. That's how you can set your website perfectly. You can change all the content that you want. You can change the colors. You can change the typography. You can do all the things here. So hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have any kind of query, then please knock us. We'll try to solve it as soon as possible.